Anyone who's watched any of my other videos knows that I am a wrestling fan, particularly AEW. But like many people, I grew up watching WWF or WWE as it is now. So today I have a WWE Elite Collection Royal Rumble Series Yokozuna. This is probably the first WWE figure that I have bought since I bought these guys back in the day. So quite a long time, 30 years or so. So let's have a look. So with this series you can build a figure, Jimmy Hart. So you've got a couple of pieces of him in here. He is the only wrestling personality that I've actually met in person. The one time I went to see Wrestling Live. So the other figures in this series are Dakota Kai from NXT, Earthquake, Big E, and Yokozuna. Seems like quite a random selection of people. Two like classic era and then two of the modern ones, but none of them have any correlation with each other whatsoever. Here's the Jimmy Hart, his classic keyboard tie there. So this is the cool bit about this particular one. The pieces that come here, you get a megaphone, Jimmy Hart's head, and his sunglasses. So basically, largely accessories, which will be cool for figure photography at some point. So here we have Yokozuna from the land of the rising sun. Obviously he was always billed as a Japanese sumo wrestler, despite actually being Samoan. But because he had Mr. Fuji as his manager and obviously looked the part, most people didn't ever think twice about it. You can see he's was quite a big man. There you go. Career highlights: WWE World Champion and World Tag Team Champion. Yokozuna set a new record in 1993 by eliminating 7 superstars on his way to winning the Royal Rumble match. So yeah, that's obviously why he's part of this particular series. Although I think that record has probably been surpassed by now. Pretty good likeness there. I mean, these are about the same price as the AEW figures, but they're definitely a better likeness, that's for sure. But why did I buy a Yokozuna? Is it because he's one of my all-time favourite wrestlers? Nope, it's because he's a very basic figure. He's got no other branding whatsoever, so I can basically use him as a generic sumo wrestler. This is a cool little accessory, the salt bucket. Well, you end up with Mr. Fuji throwing salt into people's eyes. There's Jimmy Hart. He has got just little slots there in his mullet. Pop his glasses on so they sit straight. Very good paint job there, is it? Classic megaphone. Got the Hangman Page here. I mean, the will fit. Head will fit on there. They won't sit on there. Just use a little bit of blue tack or something like that to hold it in place. Hangman head there. See, his head's a bit too A bit too wide. Actually holds the glasses on. But if you have someone with a slightly thinner face, like Darby Allin, they will sit on there. You also have some extra hands with Yokozuna. So you've got a pair of the grip hands and a pair of the fist.